In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Figma. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, knowing how to save your projects is crucial. Today, we'll walk through the process of saving a local copy of your Figma design. From logging in to securing your files, we've got it all covered. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's popular among designers worldwide. Fire up your web browser and go to the Figma website. If you're not logged in already, you'll need to do so. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Login button. Click it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, I recommend signing up. It's a fantastic tool for both personal and collaborative design projects. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma homepage. This is your central hub in Figma where you can access recent files and projects. It's a neat feature that keeps everything organized, making it easy for you to find the project you want to work on. From here, you'll navigate to your design file, which is what we'll be saving today. When you're ready to save your work, click on your design file to open it. After your design is open, look towards the top left corner of your screen. You'll find the main menu is the icon with 3 stacked horizontal lines. Clicking on the main menu will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the main menu, move your cursor to hover over File. Clicking on File will provide you with another set of options, one of which is to save local copy. Select that option. By doing so, you're initiating a download of your Figma file directly to your computer. This action is critical if you want to have a backup of your work or need to share it with team members who may require offline access. That's it. You've now successfully saved a local copy of your design. This process ensures that your work is not only kept safe in the cloud, but also accessible on your local device. As a final tip, I recommend doing this regularly to prevent any potential data loss and to have a reliable backup at hand. And there you have it, a simple yet essential walkthrough of how to save your work in Figma. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to keep your projects securely saved. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials like this. Happy designing.